I'm about to bless y'all with a quick cold start of a 2014 Dodge Charger RT. You guys can see that title and thumbnail. We're gonna do a quick cold start on my Dodge Charger RT straight pipe 2014 second gen. You guys can see a snowstorm came last night. Well, this is not a snowstorm, but it snowed last night. And of course, every time it snows, we gotta get that cold start. So I'm about to bless y'all with a quick cold start. So you guys can see this is my purple Dodge Charger RT. It's purple, you guys can see. RT, hold on. The RT is right there. So guys, I'm gonna get something real quick to cover up my plates, cause I don't want nothing, no information. I'm gonna get like a quick gloves to cover up the plates, and then we give you guys a quick cold start. All right guys, I covered up the plates, the few numbers, but I'm still trying to do a small cover up, but it don't really matter no more because I covered it up. But yeah, here goes the cold start of my 2014 Dodge Charger RT straight pipe, no cats. Let's go. Come on, turn on. Is it not gonna turn on? Oh, not turning on. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick and I'll put it up. Guys, we are in the car because my control thing didn't want to start, but there was people walking, so I had to do something. So I'm in the car. I'm about to set y'all up real quick, and I'm gonna start it up from the inside. So yeah. All right, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but I'm gonna start it up right now. See, that's the cold start. Dodge Charger RT. See, my baby. Oh yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It says key fob is out because I left out of the car without the key fob. No, with the key fob. So yeah, I'm gonna let this car warm up real quick just so it could like turn on. But hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.